Fixing running out of memory in Marvel Rivals is really easy to do. First thing you're going to need to do is you simply go over to the application files, the task manager, and actually close any applications that you do not need to be using while you're running this game. In this case, you click on right click in task, and you can do this for all the applications and even the ones below that you do not need to be running, because this will basically make you run out of memory, and they do take up a lot of memory and CPU, so you actually want to close these applications. Now once you've done this, you want to go into the settings on your computer, and you actually just want to type in the option called background apps. Now you actually want to disable all background apps. You can do this simply with the toggle at the top, but basically enabling them on will make the game run a lot slower, just because it does require a lot of background information and a lot of memory and CPU if they are running in the background. So you simply want to actually only turn the ones you actually need, or I recommend turning all of them off, which is the even better case if you want it to run absolutely flawlessly. Now once you've done this, you want to simply go over to your computer's settings options like so, and you want to type in firewall like so, and you actually want to make sure your firewall is disabled, because if it is enabled, it will basically act as thinking your computer is fishy, this application, and you basically just want to disable it so that you can actually run anything without any errors on this game.